Coughing is a healthy and vital reflex that protects our body by getting rid of germy mucus and foreign particles such as dust, microbes, allergens, and bacteria, and attempts to clear the throat by forcing air out of the lungs under pressure. The question is, what is happening inside our bodies while we cough? You see, when someone inhales the foreign particles or irritants that enter the trachea or the windpipe, it can interrupt our breathing. In that case, our brain gets alert and activates the cough reflex. Then, the vocal cords open up wider than usual, which increases the volume of air being drawn into the lungs. After that, the epiglottis closes over the windpipe, effectively shutting off the flow of the air. Then, the rib muscles contract, putting pressure in the lungs. As the epiglottis is closed, the air can't move out and resulting in increased pressure. Eventually, the epiglottis open, causing the air to burst out with tremendous force along with the foreign particle. Finally, the breathing is restored to normal levels. Do's and don'ts when you cough. Never cough to your hands. It's an easy way to spread germs. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Put your used tissue in the wastebasket. If you don't have a tissue, cough or sneeze into your upper sleeve or elbow, not your hands. Then wash hands often with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand rub.